Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your neighbor coming back to you once again with another unboxing video. Today we're reviewing Louis Vuitton items. By the title, you probably already know which one it is. As you can probably already guess by the size of the bag, this is not a lot of items. It's mainly accessories inside of it. So let's get into it. You can see comes with a little box. Let me tell you guys right now. So it's a perfume. I'm sorry, a cologne, because in French, you know, perfume and cologne are the same name. And another pocket organizer. To make it easier, we're going to review this video in two parts. So first the pocket organizer, and then we can get into the scents. Let's get into it. All right, fellas. So now that I got the cologne out of the way, first let's talk about the receipt. I mean, you know, you probably already know how it looks at this time. Yeah, basically I'm not going to show my information like the other time. So this is what it is. Louis Vuitton Paris Charles de Gaulle Terminal 2E. And as I told you guys, this is part of the items that I bought on my flight back to the US from my trip overseas. Let's get into the pocket organizer. So basically this is what it looks like. I actually never got one of these attached to my pocket organizers or my boxes, period. And this is a first. It's probably a card inside. Let me see. This is empty. Okay, thank you Louis Vuitton for this kind of note card that you gave me for free, I guess. Let me put this back here. So let's get this unwrapped. As you guys probably already know by now, I don't know how to tie these, and I wish I could. If anyone knows how to, in the comment section, please write something down so I can look you up. And if you know any other video that might explain how to do it, please let me know. Taiga pocket organizer that I reviewed the other day on the channel, just for comparisons. These were released at the same time, even though they're not part of the same collection. You know, this stunning blue color. So that there it is. This is the navy blue Taiga leather pocket organizer. As you can already tell, this is very soft. The Taiga leather is known to be soft. It's not anything new by Louis Vuitton. It's been going on for like I think over 10 years now. I'm no expert, but I had a wallet back in 2007 2008 that had the same leather lining onto it. Just like the contrast of colors here, we have I think this is the scarlet red with the navy blue. This might look black, but it's actually navy blue. Unlike this blue, which is called the Pacific blue, I think, something like that. So inside, damn, it's gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. So all cowhide leather. Exterior doublure en cuir de vachette. There you go. So this comes with 3 card slots, 5 pockets, which are these 1, 2, 3, 4, because you can open this up. So basically this is for maybe your cash or any other thing that you might have, and this is for your credit cards per Louis Vuitton website. And you also have an extra pocket on the back. This might be convenient for your Metro card, as I said in the previous video, or if you have any other cash that you can probably fold and insert inside of it. That might be not a lot, like, but you still, you know, get the option to actually carry some cash with this. Even though this is basically card holder called the pocket organizer, because it can hold much more cards than the regular 3 card slots that they already have, like in the collection for a lower price. This is why the price tag on this is so high. So this retails for $455, just like the other one. I think the other one is probably 400 and this is 455. So plus tax, this was 580 something in US dollars, and this was 400 something. 400. So you have the blue and the red. This red really looks like the red you find in some high-end Mercedes Benz cars. Like, it's really stunning. You probably find these in Mercedes cars and stuff like that. And the lining here, as you can see, is a little different than the one here. Even though it's probably the same material, it's a different color to give it more contrast. And obviously this is more rigid than this. This is very, very soft. It's made so that you won't even feel it if you have it in your pockets. The cologne. So if you already purchased cologne from Louis Vuitton, you will know that you get some free samples with it. Usually you get 3 of those, but the associates was fine, was nice enough to actually put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside of this. We have Nuit de Feu, we have Ombre Nomade, which is the perfume I'm reviewing today. So let's put this on the side. Nuit de Feu. Here we have Le Sable Rose here. All right, nothing else. Let's get into it. So it comes with this little carrying case just for people that usually travel and stuff like that, who might need like something to carry their cologne inside of. And because this is a dark bottle, if like usually the sunlight damages the quality of the product inside of it, so that's why they have all those protections to actually make your scent last longer. That way, you don't have to sue them and shit like that. I mean, I know you're not going to sue them, but I'm just saying. So yeah, it has a nice LV here. LV sun. I think, yeah, you open it from the bottom. Wow, guys, this is it. You see, I told you the bottle is dark. Ooh, this is stunning. Ooh. And guys, I just wish you could smell this magnetic cap with the LV sign on it, and you can spray away. I am not going to spray this because, I ain't trying to waste it. Also, please note that since this is so expensive, they kindly offer you the refills at the Louis Vuitton store when you're out of this for a lesser price. So maybe you pay $150. I haven't tried it yet. I haven't looked into it yet, but you probably pay $150 to refill this, something like that, since you already have the bottle. And it's made so, since they have customization and stuff, it's made so you can keep the bottle for a long time. These are very, very resistant. Like, you can tell it's very thick glass on it. All right.
A few moments later.
Thank you guys that made it to the end of the video. Please like and comment and subscribe on the channel down below. There will be links with all of these if you want to purchase them, and also the pocket organizer if you want to buy them. Just know I'll have all the links in the description below. Till we meet next, guys.